Hello, middle school. This is your video for your English lesson this week. We are going to be discussing writing letters. So this PowerPoint is titled Dates, Addresses, and Letters. Capitalization and punctuation. So we're in a new unit. In this page on the PowerPoint, what is missing from this friendly letter? 8906 East 34th Street, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hint, there are 3 things missing. Can you find what they are? Think about what the unit's name is. Capitalization and punctuation, and we are writing letters. It could be a mail, snail mail, or email. This is what is missing. 8906 East 34th Street, Tulsa, Oklahoma was missing a zip code, okay? 74145. This is actually the address to Town and Country School. If I was putting this on the top of a letter, that's what I would need to put. Also, we would need that comma between the city, Tulsa, and the state, Oklahoma. So we would need to put that there. The other thing it's missing is the date, April 20th, 2020. So this is a proper heading and way to write this for a friendly letter. Rules. We must go over the rules. You guys know in capitalization is big. We must start with a capital letter in a sentence, always, okay? All proper nouns in dates and addresses should be capitalized, okay? Mom has a meeting in Montgomery, Alabama on June 18th, okay? Mom, of course, is capitalized. That's a given. It starts the sentence. Montgomery is a city, Alabama is a state, and June is a month, okay? Those all need to be capitalized in a letter. In a date, use the comma between the day and the year. Okay, for example, here's SpongeBob talking about his birthday. SpongeBob was born on July 17th, 1999. Okay, it has the month, July, the day, the 17th, and the year, 1999. We need the comma after the day and before the year. Here are some do's and don'ts. Okay, addresses, we need to use commas between the city and the state or a city and a country. The flight went from Miami, Florida, and Cancun, Mexico. So there's Miami, there's the comma, there's Florida, Cancun, there's the comma, and Mexico. Some don'ts. Do not use a comma if a date only consists of a month and a day or a month and a year. For example, the United States entered World War I in April 1917. Now, do you see there's not a date there, so it does not need a comma. So don't forget that. Use a comma between a street and city when they appear in a sentence, but not between the state and the zip code. For example, send the box to 5 Sheridan Lane, Tulsa, Oklahoma, 74115. Here is the street, okay, and the city. So we need to put the comma there. And then here's our city and state, and we need to put the comma there as well. Now you notice we don't have a comma right there after the state, do we? Okay, we're only talking about here just between the street and the city and the city and the state. The next thing is to use a comma to set off the second part of a date and an address when it's included in a sentence. So this might be a sentence in your letter. On July 14th, 1789, citizens of Paris, France revolted. So we need that comma right there to set it off, to separate that date. Okay, that's what that's talking about. Some capitalization rules. Okay, the first word in the greeting and the closing of the letter. Okay, so dear Bob, that needs to be capitalized. Dear sir or madam, that needs to be capitalized. Okay, all of those. And you notice there's a colon here after this one. And then a comma after our Ted. Sincerely, Mrs. Culp. Okay, that is the end of that video, and I hope that helps you to be able to rewrite your letters. That's your assignment for English this week. See ya in Zoom. Bye.